Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert low quality image into high quality using AI. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for AI Image Upscaler Evade. Click on the first one. Here we will choose the photo to which we want to improve the quality. And here is a preview of what it would look like before and after. Ignore these watermarks, they only appear in the preview. When you download the image, they do not appear anymore. Now click on Save. And this would be the final result. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.